Dear fans, this video is about the greatest social reformer Mahatma Ayyankali, who had made an outstanding contribution for the emancipation of the oppressed Fulayas community, that is the scheduled caste community in the then princely state of Travancore, British India. And history has recorded that Ayyankali as the most outstanding Dalit leader of modern India. Today is the 80th death anniversary of the greatest social reformer Mahatma Ayyankali, who had made significant contributions for the upliftment of the so-called oppressed scheduled caste communities to have access to education and road facilities and other facilities of modern India is having today. Today's India, that is Kerala, is entirely different from what it had been 2 centuries ago. Today's Kerala is a state of a most progressive states and reformist states in all walks of life, which gives a lot of respect and dignities to the communities which have been drawn from the so-called oppressed scheduled caste and scheduled caste tribe communities to a high esteem. On the other hand, before 2 centuries ago, it was not a case so. The point herein is that the lower caste communities have been denied to have road access facilities, even they have been forbidden to make a distance of at least 64 steps from Nayar community and 128 steps from the so-called highest Brahminical hierarchy of this Nambudiri. Their shadows shall not appear before the so-called upper caste people. This was the state of affairs in the erstwhile Travancore kingdom. The point herein is that these Pulayas were not permitted, that is women Pulayas were not permitted to wear upper these garments, and even Nadars and Yadavas have been permitted to wear the upper garments only by paying tax for their breast and proportionate to that breast size. This was the worst condition, inhuman and degrading treatment had been made not only to the scheduled caste communities but also the intermediaries communities of Yadavas and Nadas in the erstwhile Travancore kingdom in the 19th century. The point herein is that the role of Mahatma Ayyankali had been immensely recorded in the Indian history, that for the upliftment of this Pulayas community, the so-called scheduled caste community in the social hierarchy in the lower bottom of the society, he had felt that only through education the upliftment of the scheduled caste, that is a Pulayas community in Kerala, would be it's taken into a higher esteem. For that, he had organized a strike that the agricultural laborers belonging to the Pulayas community have been withdrawn from the tilling of the lands of the Nambudiri, the higher caste community. The struggle was started in the year 1907 and ended only in the year 1910. And the Britishers and the landlords Brahmins, the Nambudiri Brahmins were forced to give entry to the Dalits for their education. This was the immense sacrifices of Ayyankali, and today is the death anniversary of Ayyankali. Ayyankali had made a lot of contributions for not only the scheduled caste and the other intermediary caste communities, but also for the women's emancipation to participate in the mainstream politics even in the year 19th century. This is the message of this video. Thank you so much.